Hello everyone. In today's class, I'm going to tell how to write methods. So first of all, I'm taking this login program and I'm pasting one more time on the same package as TC01 login 3. Now let's do the changes in this TC01 login 3 program. So just I'm double clicking on this program. So this is my first basic Selenium program. So how to write methods in this program, I'm going to tell you right now. So first of all, to write methods, I'm writing like this. Open Chrome browser. So to write methods, we need to write def definition. So open Chrome browser like this, we need to write. And after that, so for login related one, I'm writing as like this login method, right? After that, I'm writing add nationalities. So I have written set of methods like this. Okay. So just what I'm doing, I need to select these lines of code under this method. Just I'm pressing one tab. And for login related method, I'm selecting these lines of code and just pressing one tab. And for add nationality related lines of code, I'm selecting and I'm pressing one tab. So now I have written, so like this, I have written all these methods. Open Chrome browser contains these lines of code, and login method contains these lines of code, and add nationalities method contains add nationality related lines of code. Now let's see how to call these methods. Okay, so basically we are having open Chrome browser, login method, and add nationalities method. So here I'm calling my methods, open Chrome browser, right? After that, I want to call my login method. After that, I want to call my add nationalities method, right? So that's it. So now let's change my input data, Indian 904. Okay, now let's run this program and we will see the output. Okay, so I'm running my program now. So Chrome browser is launched. After that, open Chrome browser method lines of code will be executed. Login method is also executed. And after that, it's navigated to nationalities and it's clicked on add nationality and nationality record successfully created. So our test is passed like that. Okay. So simply in this program, we have written the set of lines of code into appropriate methods, and just I'm calling these methods at bottom here. So whenever these lines of code is execute, these lines of code will be corresponding lines of code will be executed from that method. Okay, that's it guys, we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you guys.